Let's now talk about Hexaware, the stock that I was just discussing, which is down about 1%, 1.5%. Those numbers came through. Let's do a deeper dive with Rima. So Rima, just 0.2% top line growth, right?
Indeed. So just 0.2% in Q4. But remember, Q4 is a seasonally weak quarter on account of furloughs. And the management just held their conference call. And in that, they were indicating that some uncertainty has emerged in macros in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Prior to that, things were looking a lot better. And the sectors they're going to watch for would be manufacturing, consumer, because here there would be a first order impact of Trump's tariffs. So some uncertainty has, crept up. So which is why this time, unlike, a couple of years back when the company was listed, they used to perhaps give you a numerical guidance. They would say that this year we're going to grow at 10 to 12%. This time, all they're saying when it comes to the outlook is that the performance will be resilient to modest macro changes. But of course, if the macro gets worse, then, it's everything gets, thrown in. In terms of Q4 numbers, constant currency revenue growth was just about 0.2%. The company managed to expand margins in Q4, and that's because Q3 was a wage hike quarter. So Q3 margins were depressed. So on that lower base, margins have expanded by 30 basis points. For the full year, calendar year 2024, the company's clocked in a top line growth of 13.5%. But there are a few positive, sound bites coming from the management. One, they're saying 2 out of their top 3 customers are going through consolidation, and the company has won those deals, which will ramp up Q2 onwards. And secondly, 2 significant deals, consolidation deals, are in the works. If the company wins, then growth will pick up in the second half of the year. So the outlook is a little more uncertain, but the company's performance is likely to be resilient in the face of that. Back to you.
Okay. All right. Got it. Rima, thanks very much for the inputs over there.